Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now, something you already knew: join us on this journey, where every blade tells a story, and every edge reveals the art of human ingenuity. Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight. The Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight is widely recognized as a benchmark in modern everyday carry design, representing the perfect balance of performance, ergonomics, and portability. As the successor to the legendary Para Military 2, the Para 3 condenses Spyderco's most notable innovations into a more compact and lightweight form. The knife features a 2.95-inch CPM S30V stainless steel blade, a material chosen for its outstanding edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. The drop-point blade profile, combined with a full flat grind, provides superior cutting efficiency across a wide range of tasks. From fine precision work to robust utility cutting. One of the most distinctive characteristics of this knife is Spyderco's signature round-hole deployment system, which allows for fast, reliable, and ambidextrous one-handed opening. This is a hallmark feature that has defined the brand's identity for decades. The FR and fiberglass reinforced nylon handle sets the lightweight version apart, making it extremely durable while reducing the overall weight to just 2.4 ounces 68 grams. Enhanced with a bidirectional texturing pattern, the handle ensures a secure grip even under challenging conditions. Equipped with a streamlined deep carry wire pocket clip, the Para 3 Lightweight offers discreet, comfortable carry without compromising accessibility. The inclusion of the compression lock mechanism further ensures rock-solid blade security while allowing effortless, safe closing. In conclusion, the Spyderco Para 3 Lightweight exemplifies the evolution of everyday carry knives. It combines engineering precision, ergonomic excellence, and minimal weight, making it one of the most respected and practical folding knives in the world today. For both enthusiasts and professionals, it represents a cornerstone of reliable design in contemporary knife making. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.